Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampur. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor. Please do join, and once you join, do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining as well. So, welcome to yet another day, yet another exciting day of discussing some important questions. Do join, and once you join, do not forget to let me know by your comments as well. Hello, Sai Teja. Hello everyone, guys. Those who have joined, please after joining, let me know by your comments as well. After joining, let me know by your comments as well, guys. Okay, that is absolutely very important. We are discussing a lot of important things, guys. Okay, in that regard, we are doing some 2021. Okay, Sai, from tomorrow onwards for sure. Sai, from tomorrow onwards for sure. Your request taken. Both kind of will run parallelly. Both will run parallelly. Those as well and mix as well. Good evening, Harish, Gopinath, Sai, and everyone else. Okay, great. The topic for today's class is the topic for today's class is Ssc Cgl 2021 combo of two shifts. However, there I faced a technical difficulty as well in clubbing both. Still, we will manage. Still, we will manage. Hello, Harish. Good evening. Gopinath. Good evening. Please do the sharings part. Please do the sharings part. Then we are going to begin. Then we are going to begin, guys. Yes, the first question is on the board. The first question is on the board. Please do attempt it. CGL 2021. CGL 2021. A sold a mobile phone to B at a gain of 25%. So from A to B, it is from 100 to 125. It is from 100 to 125. Hello, Charlie. Good evening. Then B to C at a loss of 10%. Loss of 10% is about loss of 12.5. So finally at 112.5. Finally at 112.5. Then C has paid 5625. 5625. Okay. If you multiply by 5, will you get this number? If you multiply by 5, will you get this number if there would be a decimal? Yeah. So it's a multiplication of 50. It's a multiplication of 50, my dear. It's a multiplication of 50. So CP would be 100 into 50, 5,000. For A, it would be 5,000. For A, it would have costed 5,000. For A, it would have costed 5,000. Answer. Next. Good evening, Ivan. Sainteja, Charlie. keep on sharing, guys. Keep on sharing as well. Sec 52 is 1 by cos 52. Angles are complementary. Sin cos equal will cancel out each other. Cosec 52 is sin 52. Angles are complementary. They will cancel out each other. 1. Sin cos, sin cos. Convert into them as a single. Convert them either into 23 or 67. Convert them either into 23 or 67. So this can also be written as sin 23. So sin square 23 plus 1 plus, I am writing this as cos 23. So cos square 23 plus 1 upon cosec square theta, and I'm writing this as cot 20 minus cot square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. This is a identity. This is a identity is equal to 1. 3 by 1 is the answer. 3 by 1 is the answer. Please do watch out. Please do watch out, and once it is clear, do let me know. Once it is clear, do let me know. Perfect. Perfect. Let's move on. Let's move on to the next question, my dear. Each and every question is Cgl 2021 shifts. Each and every question is Cgl 2021 shift. The latest of the latest. Nothing is latest over them. Nothing is latest over them. They are the most latest. They are the most latest. So if someone will say, oh, what is the latest? This is the new definition of the latest. Hello, Stalin. How are you? A motorboat whose speed is 20 km per hour in the still water takes 30 minutes more. Very good afternoon, Vinod. Very good afternoon. Keep on sharing, keep on liking. Takes 30 minutes more to go 24 km upstream than to go 24 km downstream. Like in traveling 24 km upstream, a boats take more time. So 24 km upstream minus 24 km downstream is basically 30 minutes. And 30 minutes is 1 by 2 hour. Fine. And 30 minutes is 1 by 2 hour. Fine. Okay, great. 24 km upstream minus 24 km downstream is equal to 1 by 2 hour. Upstream is boat minus water. Upstream is boat minus water. Boat is 20, 20 minus B. And water is 20 plus B is equal to 1 by 2. The best thing is look for few values, because otherwise it will become a quadratic. Otherwise it will become a quadratic. So look for the values. If you take B as 4, it will become 1 and it will become 24 by 16, 3 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. So B is equal to 4 is the solution of it. B is equal to 4 is the solution of it. So 24 by B is equal to 4, 16 minus 24 by 24. I think it's satisfying. It is satisfying. B is equal to 4 is the solution of it. If you solve it completely, it might become quadratic. So we avoided it. Okay. If the speed of the boat is increased by 2, so it will become 22. Speed of boat. Speed of water we find out as 4. How much time it will travel to take 39 km downstream? 39 km downstream plus 30 km upstream. Downstream boat plus water, 22 plus 4, 26. And upstream boat minus water, 22 minus 4 is 18. 3 by 2, 1.5 hour plus 6, 3 ja 5 by 3, 5 by 3. 5 by 3. And 5 by 3 is 1.66. So 3.16 something. Bombay. 3.16, my dear, which is B. 3.16, my dear, which is D. Because 16 is what? 10 minute, na? 16 is what? 10 minute. 1 by 6 of hour is 1 by 6 of hour is 10 minute. So if it is 3.16, so 1 by 6, like 1 by 0.16 is what? 1 by 6 and 1 by 6 of hour is 10 minutes. Is it 100% clear or not? Come on, tell me. Do reply. Pretty fast. Pretty fast. Exciting. Exciting, guys. Exciting. Yeah. So you can feel the guys amount of work we are creating, the amount of content what we are creating, guys, to create some impact. To create some impact in your preparation, the amount of content, guys, what we are creating. At any point of time, if you feel any doubt, you can ask me. AB is the diameter of a circle. Center O, a tangent is drawn at a point. AB is the diameter of a circle. AB is the diameter of a circle. A tangent is drawn at a point A. C is a point on a circle such that BC is produced. C is the point on circle such that BC is produced. To meet the tangent at P, angle APC given. Angle APC given 62. Find the measure of minor arc. Find the measure of minor arc AC. Okay, so this angle is needed to be find out. This angle is needed to be find out, guys. The measure of minor arc AC theta. Diameter subtend 90 degree at the circumference. If this is 90, this is also 90. 90 plus 62 plus theta is 180. It's a complete triangle. 92 plus 92 plus 60 plus theta. 90 plus 62 plus theta is 180. So 62 plus theta is 90. Or you can say theta is 28 degree. Or you can say theta is 28 degree. 100% clarity. Very, very new. Very, very new. 100% clarity. Just drawing the diagram. Just drawing the diagram. Well done, Gopi, Ivan, Harish, Charlie, Vinod. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. I'm moving on. A can finish a work in 16 days. B can finish the work in 12 days. Assume the work as a multiple, 48. A efficiency plus 3, B efficiency plus 4. They work together for 4 days. They work together for 4 days. So in 4 days they will do. So in 4 days they will do 7 into 4, 28 work. 7 into 4, 28 work. 20 work is remaining. 20 work is remaining. A has left, so B will do the remaining job. 20 job with the efficiency of B will take 5 more days. Will take 5 more days. For how many days total B worked to finish the work? So they are asking the total number of days taken by B. They are asking the total number of days taken by B in the work. So 5 after A left, 5 after A left, and 4 together, and 4 days together. So total number of days for which A is in the work, for which B is in the work is 9. The total number of days for which B is in the work is 9. Yeah. Because 5 days alone and 4 days together. So 9 days he was in the work. For 9 days he was in the work. So this is looking like quite a good shift of 2021. Yeah. This is appearing as quite a good shift of 2021. Next. CGL 2021, very, very good shift. Very, very good shift, guys. What we are doing is a tremendous question collection of CGL 2021. Whenever you drop a solid into a container, definitely the level will rise. Whenever you drop a solid into a container, definitely the volume will rise. Okay. So let's suppose here the dimensions were 16, 8, and height. So let the height rise by delta H on putting it. Let the height rise by, hello Harika, let the height rise by delta H on putting a solid inside it. What is the volume of the solid? A cube. And how much is the change in the volume of this container? Length into breadth into change in height. So, my dear, oh dear, this 15 will not get in the use. This 15 will not get in the use. I'm not interested how much is the height. I'm saying by putting a solid, let the height is changing by delta H. Let the height is changing by delta H. Only this is sufficient for me. 8 8 ja, 8 2 just 16, 2 4 ja. So change in height is 4 centimeter. Change in height is 4 centimeter. Is it absolutely perfect? Is it absolutely perfect? Come on, do tell me. Next. This is unit is not required, na? Unit is not required. X plus 2 by. Oh ho. Chalo. Finally, examiner is bit kind to you. Finally, examiner is a bit kind to you. The hint is sufficient. The hint is sufficient. Values can satisfy this. Assume the values and 2 and 1. So if you take this as 2 and this as 1, so 6 into 1 plus 2 will satisfy this. Yeah. So x is 2, y is 1. X is 2, y is 1. It not always happens, guys, okay? It doesn't happen always, but whenever it happens, you have to take care of it. It always does not happen, but whenever it happens, you have to take care of it. 2 ka cube 8 plus 2 16 224. Remember my words. Few days back or maybe yesterday to yesterday, I have taken a question where we are not able to, there also x into y was given as 2. But we were not able to put the values. So we have solved it completely. Today guys, luckily, the arrangement is like this, that the values are getting satisfied. So we have taken like that. So it is up to you, it is up to your preparation and your presence of mind in the examination hall. Let's move on. Do some more wonderful things. Look how graph is looking good today, yeah? The following bar graph shows the export of type A and type B. The following bar graph shows the export of type A, type B. What is the ratio of total export of car to the total export? Oh, it's very, very good looking. It's very, very good looking. Total export of car A in 14 and 17. Total export of car A in 14 and 17. Car A in 14 and 17. 14 is 200 and 17 is 175. So it's 375. Divide by car B in 15 and 16. Car B in 15 and 16. 250 plus 15 and 16 here. $225. 375. 475. What is the ratio? 375, 475. What is the ratio? Approx ratio, guys. Obviously, the denominator is bigger. Not this, not this, not this answer. Obviously, the denominator is bigger only in one option. The denominator is bigger only in one option. Rest all others are numerator big. Rest all others are numerator big. So the correct answer is Bombay. The correct answer is Bombay. Today, guys, I was merging two shifts. Won't you believe I was merging two shifts, but at the last moment when I was expecting the second shift, I received at 4:30 and it came out to be corrupted. Otherwise, it might be again one of the wonderful days of your maths preparation. If those two shifts I would be able to take today. So effectively, I might not able to only take one shift or maybe few questions extra. Few questions extra. Bas. Quickly like and share the sessions as well, guys. Quickly like and share the sessions as well. It is extremely important for us to prepare in these few days, remaining few days, and to give the best of ourselves in these days, and you also get the best of yourself in these remaining few days. In a triangle ABC, in a triangle ABC, brand new questions, guys. Brand new, brand new, brand new. In triangle ABC, PQR are taken, PQR are taken on the sides AB, AC respectively, such that BQ is PQ. Equal side have only one function, equal angle. Equal side have only one function, equal angle. QC is equal to QR. Equal side have only one function, equal angle. Okay. I am little bit blunt over here, but that is the truth. That is the reality. That is the reality, my dear. Alpha, alpha, 180 minus 2 alpha. Beta, beta, 180 minus 2 beta. PQR, they are asking. So assume it theta. Assume it theta. Hello, Sanjeev. 180 minus 2 alpha plus 180 minus 2 beta plus theta is equal to 180. Because it's a straight line. Because it's a straight line. Gone, gone. So theta is twice of alpha plus beta minus 180. Theta is twice of alpha plus beta minus 180. And alpha plus beta is, 75 plus alpha plus beta is 180 from the triangle ABC. So alpha plus beta is 105. So alpha plus beta is 105. So theta is twice of 105 minus 180. 210 minus 180. It is 30. Please do watch out. Is it absolutely clear or not? Is it absolutely clear or not, my dear? So, if that last minute shift was be added, it would be 2 shifts, guys. मजा आ जाता. No issues, but still, whatever we have, we will just try to enjoy that fully. Brand new, brand new. Oh, wow. Something fishy is coming in my mind. Something fishy is coming in my mind. Let's see whether it will work out or not. I don't think so it will work out. I'm going to go for simple addition. I'm going to go for simple addition, guys. I'm going to go for simple addition. You can also. 123, 163, 166, 186, 188. 188 plus A plus B is equal to 55 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 188 plus A plus B is 330. So A plus B is 142. A plus B is the 142. 100, 187, 189, 199, 209, 19, 229. 229 plus C plus D is 53 into 7. 53 into 7. 229 plus C plus D is 371. C plus D 71 plus 71 plus I think this is also 71. So C plus D is also 142. Oh wow. It's a coincidence. It's a coincidence, my dear. Both are coming 142, 142. Both are coming 142, 142. What is their average? A plus B plus C plus D. 142 plus 142 divide by 4. 2 times of 142 divide by 4. 71. 71. $71. Absolutely correct, Saintej and Harish. Absolutely correct. Absolutely. No worries whatsoever. No worries whatsoever, guys. No worries whatsoever. Let's move on. Let's rock something other as well. Good shift. It is a good shift. Believe me. It's a good shift. So please attempt it. Please attempt it. Then we are going to do it again. This was a very famous question, guys, from CAT, where they used to ask what are the three sides of a right angle triangle. And I used to deliver in my paid batches as well the only pair in which the sides of a right angle triangle are consecutive integers are 3, 4, 5. Consecutive integers, sides of a right angle triangle, sides of right angle triangle. The possibility is 3, 4, 5. Only one possibility, guys, in the entire universe. 3, 4, 5 consecutive integers side of right angle triangle. Now here they have given a common difference of 2. Here they have given a common difference of 2. Here they have given a common difference of 2, which is only possible in 6, 8, 10. Never else. Which is only possible in the triplet of 6, 8, 10, never else. So 3, 4, 5 are the three sides of a right angle triangle with consecutive integers. And so here they have given a difference of 2, and difference of 2 is only possible in the right angle triangle of 6, 8, 10. So the hypotenuse is 10. Answer. I used to deliver this concept, guys, in the paid classes. Some of you who were there in my paid classes back in 2021, 2020 batches, they would be remembering it quite well. They would be remembering it quite well. Okay. Next. Next. Looking a kind of a new question. Looking kind of a new question, guys. Looking kind of a new question. A certain sum deposited for 4 years at the rate of 10% per annum on a compound interest compounded annually. What is the difference between interest at the end of 2 years and at the end of 4 years? The difference between the end of compound interest at the end of 2 years and 4 years. Okay. So, can we go with 100? 100 becomes 121 in 2 years. 100 becomes 121 in 2 years. And 100 becomes 146.41 in 4 years. Do you remember the effectives of 10, 10, 10? Okay. I hope you might be remembering the effectives of 10, 10, 10. So compound interest in 2 years, 21. Compound interest in 4 years is the 46.41. So what is the difference between them? The difference between them is 46.41 minus 21 is 25.41. 25.41 and 25.41 is given as 5082. Examiner is a kind-hearted man. Examiner is a kind-hearted man. It's directly the double. It's directly the double. So 1 is equal to 200. 1 is equal to 200. If 1 is equal to 200, 100 is equal to 100 into 200. That is 20,000. He is the kind-hearted person, yeah? He have not given some difficult comparisons. He has not given some difficult comparisons, okay? Well done, Mohit, Ivan, Aim, Sanjeev, Harika, and all others. Let's move on next. During the festival season, a company offers a sale of X% and along with a discount. Okay, guys, it is the case of two discounts basically. And discounts are order is not important. Order is not important. Means you can offer the second discount first and you can offer the first discount second. It will not impact. Okay. So the second discount is 10%, so I'm offering it first because I know its value, obviously 360. Ultimately the selling is done at 216. How much extra discount offered? 60 minus 16 is the 48. I think 148 offered. Guys, 148 offered. 148 offered the second discount. Okay. So 148 over 36 into 100. 144, my dear. It is 4 times. A second discount is 40%. Or you can say the first discount is 40%. Or you can say the first discount is 40%. The first discount is 40%, or you can say the second discount is 40%, because among discounts, order is not important. So if the first value is not known, we would be using the second discount first and then calculating the second discount easily. Among discounts, order is not important. So what we will do, we will offer the second discount first. We will offer the second discount first and then find out what is the difference between them and offer the first discount later on. Yeah. Very important concept. Lot of logics can be built from here. 70, 105, 130 histogram. SSC's current favorite. Number of cars. 6, 7, 8. Time of the day. 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12. How many cars sold? What is the ratio of number of cars passed between, passing a road? 6 to 8 to number of cars passing between 9 to 11. 6 to 8, 9 to 11. 6 to 8, 9 to 11. 6 to 8, these much cars passed. 6 to 8, these much cars passed. 175. 9 to 11. 9 to 11, these much car passed. 210. I can understand, guys, if it is not visible for some of you, but as far as I can see over the board, it's visible, I think. 5 3 ja 15, 5 5 ja 25, 5 4 ja 20, 7 5 ja 7 6 ja. Answer. Histograms, new era, new favorites, new era, new favorite. Histogram is one of the favorite of SSC these days. It's a frequency distribution. One question externally added from different shift of 2021. As I was planning to take two shifts today, at the last moment there was a corrupt in the PPT, so I could not take. In a hurry, I extracted one or two questions like this one, yeah, and the average one. So that was also looking like a very promising shift. But unluckily, we could not discuss it today. It was looking very promising, my dear. है ना? मजा आ जाएगा. Third proportional of this. Q is the fourth proportional of this. Third proportional. So 20 ka square is equal to 8 into P. 20 into 20 is equal to 8 into P. 4 2 ja 4 5 ja. P is 50. P is 50. And the fourth proportional is 3 by 5 is equal to 24 by Q. Q is 40. What is 2P plus Q? Next. Its format, guys, this PPT format which I got for these question is such a format, guys, that when I was taking that PPT and like combining with this, it is not accepting. Wow, that is thing happening for the first time in front of me. Then I just copy individually these questions in the remaining time and put it over here. However, I told that I would be requiring the complete PPT for tomorrow's, because I need to bring some topic-wise sessions as well. I'm planning top 100 questions of algebra as well. I'm planning top 100 questions of geometry as well. Top 100 means all algebra question for past 5 years. Unique. And all 100 questions of geometry, unique. If this plan, guys, get executed, then it would be a revolutionary. All unique 100 questions, all unique algebra questions, avoiding the repetition for past 5 years, and all unique geometry questions for past 5 years, avoiding repetition, and others as well. Greatest number which is divisible by 3 but not by 9. Go with the options. What is the greatest? These two. Try between these two. Avoid 9. Avoid 6 plus 3, 9. This is 15. And this is avoid 9. This is 18. 18 is divisible by 9 as well. 15 is not divisible by 9 but divisible by 3. So B is the answer. Go with the greatest numbers. 15 is divisible by 3, not by 9. 18 is divisible by both 3 and 9. So the answer is Bombay. But that is a D would not be the greatest, na? We are going to check from the greatest, na? Aim. What is your name? I think you are also my previous student, maybe. That is not the greatest, na? So, okay, geometry, guys, you are seeing the deviation. Like on pattern. Pattern is not there in geometry. Pattern is not there. They are asking anything random. And this will really check your geometry. If the examiner will randomly ask a geometry question without any pattern, it will really check your geometry. So, did you want 100 question geometry session? I need to do a great background effort for that. Collecting all the geometry for past 5 years. Collecting all the geometry for past 5 years. So, I think first we should be doing 100 of algebra and 100 of geometry on the priority with which 50 of time and work and 50 of profit and loss. ये 5 दिन में कर लें guys. Should we do this in the next 5 days? Would it not be too much? Would it not be too much? Huh? Equilateral triangle ABC is inscribed. Equilateral triangle ABC is inscribed in a circle with center O. Equilateral triangle ABC is inscribed in a circle with center O. D is a point in the minor arc BC. D is the point in the averages. Oh, averages. Oh, then averages. 50 of averages. Oh my God. Next 7 days. चलो 7 दिन में करते हैं. Let's do all this in 7 days. Huh? D is the point in the minor arc. D is the point in the minor arc BC, such that angle CBD is 40. Okay, what is the measure of angle BCD? It's a cyclic quadrilateral. Equilateral triangle angles are 60 each. Equilateral triangles angles are 60 each. If this is 60, this is 120 because of cyclic quadrilateral. If this is 60, this is 120 because of a cyclic quadrilateral. All 4 vertices are on the circle. 120 plus 40 is 160. Remaining is 20. Over and out. Again, not from the famous, but from the basic concepts. Yeah. Not from the famous, but from the basic concepts. So SSC is checking your basic concepts. SSC is checking your basic concepts. Okay. So now that Mukherjee Nagar crowd has no advantage to you, zero advantage, or even you can say they are at negative. Okay. To be very honest, guys, I know sometimes it is not needed to be that much honest, but that is the truth. Income ratio 11:13. Expenditure ratio 9:11. Oh, it's pretty easy. Income, expenditure, saving of 2, saving of 2, according to ratio also equal, and according to ratio equal as well as given equal as well. 2 is 4,000, 1 is 2,000. The difference of the income is 2. So 2 is equal to 4,000 is the answer. 2 is equal to 4,000 is the answer. 2 is equal to 4,000 is the answer. No, matlab, that is the place in the Delhi where a lot of SSC aspirants reside, and there are a lot of old age teachers, old generation teachers used to teach. Yeah. That simple kind of simple questions which makes candidates feel good, huh? Next. Okay. Average of P and its three friends. Let the three friends are A, B, C. Average is 55, so total is 55 into 4. P is 4 kg. P is 4 kg more than the average weight of his three friends. P is 4 kg more than the average of his three friends. Divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3. Because I want to use the average of his three friends. I want to use the average of his three friends, guys. That is why I'm doing it. That is why I'm doing it, because I want to use the average of his three friends. So P by 3. The average of the three friends P is 4 more than it. So P, average of three friends, guys, can I replace by P minus 4? Can I replace this value by P minus 4? Because P is 4 more than it. So if I send this 4 over that side, 3P plus P, 4P by 3 is equal to 4 plus 55 into 4 by 3. So 4P by 3 is equal to 12 plus 55 into 4. 4P is equal to 12 plus 55 into 4. If I simplify by 4 everywhere, 4 3 are 12 plus 55. P is 58. Please do see, guys, have I taken some more step or it is fine? देख लीजिए, have I taken some like 1 or 2 more step or it is fine? It's very natural, so I think it would be fine. It's very natural, guys. Just a moment. Live only. So I replace the average of other three friends by P minus 3, P minus 4. I replace the average of other three by P minus 4. Abhi Surya, well done. I replace the average of other three s by p minus. So fine, na? After this was a step. Next, next. One equation, two variable, put y is equal to 0, so x is minus 3. If x is minus 3, y is 0. It's gone, it's gone. So the question is, what is x cube plus 9? So minus 3 ka cube plus 9. Minus 3 ka cube is minus 27 plus 9. Minus 18 is the answer. One equation, two variable. One equation, two variable. Put y is equal to 0. Put y is equal to 0. If you put y is equal to 0, x will come minus 3. And you will update the question as well. On updating the question, क्या हुआ? What happened? Why are you answering 18? Acha, I need to check it. Do I need to check it? But yeah, it's looking correct to me. What? Minus 3 ka cube is minus 27 na? Minus 3 ka cube is minus 27. On putting y is equal to 0, x is minus 3. You created the trouble. You created the trouble, guys. Okay, let's move on. Please quickly like and share the session as well, guys. Don't make me say every time. Don't make me say every time, guys. This is the only thing which we are desiring in the return, which we are asking in the return. Yeah, please don't let me say it for multiple times. The given, it's not a histogram, it's a bar graph. The given represent the number student mark of a student in a mathematics. Total number of students were 350. Okay, range. Yeah, it's a histogram only. Range and the quantity. Range. Stalin, I'm arranging that. Yeah, I'm arranging that. We have made a new telegram. We have made a new telegram. So I'm just waiting to get it updated where I can put all the PDFs, because all of you would not be personally connected to me. So I can put the PDFs over my telegram as well. I can put the telegrams on my platform as well, but that is not practically possible. So that we are like working over that. We are working over that. What is the ratio of total number of students who scored 140 and above? 140 and above. These all scored 140 and above. These all scored 140 and above. 95, 100, 110. To the number of students who scored between 60 to 120. 60 to 120 are these. 60 to 120. 105, 135, 137. Answer. In a same shift, two different histograms. In a same shift, two different histograms. What else we want? In a same shift, there are two different histograms. Next. Unfinished tower. हो जाए. It would be done. It would be done. It would be done. Unfinished tower. Observed from point 78. Angle of elevation is 30. When it got finished, the angle of elevation is 60. For 30, perpendicular and base is in the ratio 1:√3. And for 60, it is in the ratio √3:1. But since we have assumed already base as √3, so it is better to assume it 3 to maintain √3:1. So 2. Now this √3 is given as 78 meter. How much higher must the tower be raised? How much higher must the tower be raised? 2. What is the value of 2? 2 by √3 into 78. 2 by √3 into 78. Rationalize by √3 everywhere. Rationalize by √3 everywhere. So it will become 2 by 3 into 78 √3, which is 52 √3. Some would have definitely made it wrong. किसी ना किसी से तो गलती हुई ही होगी. I know it ना. I know it. होता है ऐसा. Whenever certain kind of questions come, some of the greatest students also give it wrong. Please tell me honestly how many you have done the errors. I know it. The height is increased by 2. √3 is given as this. 2 is given as this. Yeah. No, 78 is the distance at a point 78 meter distance from the base. The distance of the point from the base. This is the base and distance of the point is 78. This is given as 7. Let's move on further. Okay, Vinod. Very good. Today, guys, if it would be like at least I would be getting 20 questions from that shift as well, this session would have become memorable for you. Yeah. This session would have become memorable for you. But what to do? Okay, can we try one thing? But it's not practically possible. Just picking the question from there. Just picking the question from there because I have the PDFs. Writing it and asking you. After these questions are over. 3, because I'm really highly motivated, guys, these days. I'm really highly motivated these days. Consecutive divide and multiplication. Consecutive divide and multiplication. So divide is 1 by 56 into 7 minus 5 plus 2. 7 8 ja. 7 8 ja. 8 4 ja 36. 8 4 ja 36. 12. 8 1 ja 8. 4 by 8 is like 1 by 2. Yeah. 41 and a half minus 3. क्या? ये क्या हुआ? ये क्या हुआ? Just a minute. अच्छा 8 4 जा 32. 8 4 जा 32. Yeah, 8 4 जा 32. 8 4 ja 32. After 32, it is 52 remaining. 8 6 ja 48. 4 by 8 is 1 by 2. 46 and a half minus 3 is 43 and a half. 43 and a half, guys. Hello, hello, butterfly, butterfly, butterfly. 43 and a half is the correct answer. 43 and a half is the correct answer. Sir, about data interpretation, we have to know the diagram, then resolve it. Obviously. I think today we need to discuss this shift, na? Chalo, one or two question, guys, I will take it. One or two questions which are less space consuming, I will take it, yeah? Just to make sure, guys, that none of your, you would be getting a lot of content today as well. The LCM of the two numbers is 56 times the LCF. The sum of the LCM and HCF is 1710. I am replacing LCM by 56 HCF. 57 HCF is equal to 1710. If you have ever read the table of 19, both are present there. 19 3 ja, 19 9 ja. So HCF is, I think, 30. HCF is, I think, 30. One of the numbers is given. What is the another number? One of the numbers is given. What is the another number? It also should be a multiple of 30. I think, yeah, both these possible. Let's do it completely. So LCM is this, then HCF is 30. So LCM into HCF is N1 into N2. HCF is 30. LCM is 56 into 30. One of the number is 240. What is the another number? 8 times. 8 7 ja 56 times. Another number is 210. Another number is 210. Any doubts, guys? We have done it after quite a long time. Yeah. Any doubts? We have done it after quite a long time, guys. Initially, the sum of LCM plus HCF given. From there, we find out the HCF. Then we use the most famous formula of LCM into HCF is equal to N1 into N2. LCM is known, HCF is known, N1 is known, N2 can be find out. 20% of the boys and 15% of the girls failed the examination. The number of boys who passed the examination was 70%, 70 more than the number of girls who passed the examinations. Okay. Good, 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 good. Let's see whether there is something interesting inside it or not. If 20% boys failed, then 80% passed. And if 15% girls failed, then 85% of the girls passed. Oh, great, great, great. So 80% of the boys is 70 more than the 85% of the girls. And how many students failed, guys? How many students failed? Okay. Just see. How many students failed? Total number given? 80% boys is 70 plus 85% girls. Chalo, this information is used, this is used, this is used. This information is not used. Total of 90 students failed. Total of 90 students failed. So you will say, sir, 20% boys plus 15% girls is equal to 90. Two equations, two variable, answer is there. Two equations, two variable, answer is there. Should I show you how to find out? Should I show you how to find out? Definitely. Definitely. Simplify by 5. 4% boys plus 3% girls is equal to 18. Simplify by 5. 4% boys plus 3% girls is equal to 18. Okay? So, 4% boys is equal to 18 minus 3% girls. If I multiply by 20 over here, if I multiply by 20 over here, it will become 80% boys. So 80% boys is equal to 360 minus 60% girls. One equation is saying this, another is saying 70 plus 85% of girls. So they are equal to each other. 360 minus 60% girls is equal to 70 plus 85% girls. Take it over here, 290. Take it over here, 145% girls. 1% girl is equal to 2. So total 100% girls is equal to 200. Over and out. Over and out. 100% girls is equal to 200. So what is 15%? 30. 10% 20, 15% 30. 20% boys is equal to 60. 100% into 5, 300. So boys are 300. Total students 500. Please do watch out. If you find any issues, come back to me. Come back to me. I will explain you each and everything again. Next. This is also, guys, in a hurry I externally added, yeah. This is also in a hurry I externally added. Hello, Radhika. Very good evening. Is it visible? Add it externally from any different shift. Add externally from a different shift of 2021. 35 centimeter high bucket is in the form of a frustrum. Advance is coming here. Quite a good advance is coming. 35 centimeter high bucket is in the form of a frustrum. Radius of the upper and lower ends are. Radius of upper and lower ends are 12 and 18. Height is 35. If the water from this bucket is poured into a cylindrical drum, whose the vessel, this is, what is the height of the water? Volume equate. We have to do the volume equate. What is the volume over here? 1 by 3. I'm just forgetting the formula. 1 by 3 pi h r square plus r into r. This is the volume from the frustrum. This is the volume from the frustrum. You have to pour it into a cylinder. So pi r square 20 ka square. What is the change in the height? If we will get it. How much height it will increase, we will get it. How much height it will increase, we will get it. Okay. Pi going 1 by 3 height of frustrum. 12 square plus 18 square plus 12 into 18. 400 into change in height. 400 into change in height. This 3 will go there. 35 into 324 plus 144 plus 216. 35 into 684 is equal to 1200 into change in height. Okay. It is approximately less than 2. It is approximately less than 2. It has to be greater than 17. 3 possibilities are still there. 3 possibilities are still there. 3 4 ja, 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 3 8 ja 24. And 4 is simplifying. 4 5 ja 20, 57. Double zero. There is no use of double zero as such. $57 into 3 is 171. 171. And 57 into 5 is 285. 1995. Wow. Wow. Perfect. Perfect, guys. Perfect. Few more. Only one or two more, guys. Not too much. Yeah, only one or two more. I think after this I will wind up. Yeah. Is it fine with you if I wind up after this? If I wind up after this, guys, is it fine with you? Definitely, guys. I'm going to come. I'm going to take some more questions in the upcoming days. Or should I make it at least 30 today? Guys, there are either two options. One is at least make 30 to 30 anyhow, sir. Or another is, okay, sir, we can see it later on. We can see it later on. 1 by x is 4 minus root 15. They are conjugate of each other. They are conjugate of each other. So x plus 1 upon x are 4 plus root 15 plus 4 minus root 15. X plus 1 upon x is 8. So x square plus 1 upon x square is 8 ka square minus 2. 64 minus 2, 62. 27 done. 27. Obviously, we cannot take the writing. In triangle LMN, bisectors of angle L and angle M intersect at 112. What is angle M? 60, 62, 44, 72. In triangle LMN, the bisectors of angle L and M intersect at 112. The bisectors. Obviously, the angle bisectors. One, one, two. What? In triangle, the bisector of angle L and N intersect at an angle of 112. What is the degree? What is the measure of angle M? What is the measure of angle M? Okay, sorry. This is L and N. Yeah. Obviously, we cannot find out M. This is like this. Because we cannot divide into two equal parts. Now we cannot divide into two equal parts. So, you know, if this angle is theta, this is 90 plus theta by 2. If this is theta, this is 90 plus theta by 2 in center. In center. So 90 plus theta by 2 is 112. Theta by 2 is 22. So theta is 44. That was not doable. The previous one was not doable. Okay. So with this, guys, I'm winding up it here only. We'll see you tomorrow at the same time on the same channel. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a great time. See you. Take care of yourself, guys. Have a great time.